Hey guys, what's going on? It's your boy King Joffy Joe here with another one. So right now I'm riding with my boy Yoel. Y'all see him? He's on the Suzuki GSXR. You know what I'm saying? Right now we're gonna go meet somebody real quick. Then we're gonna go head out to Palmer to check my boy Jono with his Mustang Terminator 700 horsepower. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's what it is today. I got a partner today. I usually see me riding around. This nigga bike is dirty. Damn, boy, he ride, don't wash. Oh yes, a little bumpy road here, a little bumpy bump. So we got a couple nice days left. So you know what I'm saying, I think I got a motorcycle run next weekend. I'm gonna do probably a couple more nice days before I gotta put this bike up. I had a request to make a video on storing the bike for the winter. Well, so I'm gonna make a video for that, but more than likely I'm not gonna be storing my bike for the winter. I'm probably gonna be riding it in the snow, making videos in the snow, at least a couple, you know what I'm saying? So it's probably gonna be no real putting it up. But a couple of snowstorms, you know what I'm saying? I want to get one with like a fresh snowstorm. I want to get one with like after the snow's plowed, the roads are a little bit snowy. I want to get one, you know what I'm saying? A couple different things, you know? I just hit him up. He was supposed to come join us, but he said he got to take his son to get a haircut. Then he'll hit me up. What bike does he have now? He got like, it's the same bike he had. The boy, they traded bikes to ride one different. It's just a little bit older. But he said it had more mods on it. forward, man.